Welcome to Customer Onboarding Success. This comprehensive guide will walk you through everything you need to know about creating an effective onboarding experience that drives customer success and retention. Customer onboarding is the process of guiding new customers through your product or service from the moment they sign up. It includes setting up their account, training them on how to use your solution, and helping them achieve their first win or success milestone. Good onboarding ensures customers understand your product value and can use it effectively from day one. Poor onboarding has significant consequences for your business. When customers struggle during onboarding, they're more likely to churn, meaning they cancel their subscription and leave. Additionally, customers who don't fully understand your product may leave negative reviews, which damages your reputation. Companies with weak onboarding also face higher support costs because confused customers need more help. These three problems combined can severely impact your revenue and growth. To measure onboarding success, you need to track several important metrics. Time to first value shows how quickly customers achieve their first success. Adoption rate measures what percentage of your features customers actually use. Support ticket volume tells you how many customers are struggling and need help. Finally, retention rate indicates what percentage of customers stay with you after 90 days. By monitoring these metrics, you can identify problems and continuously improve your onboarding process. The first stage happens before customers even sign up. Set clear expectations by showing them what they'll achieve with your product. Develop a tailored success plan based on their specific goals and use case. Prepare their account and team for launch. Pre-onboarding reduces confusion and gets customers excited about what's coming, making the transition much smoother when they do sign up. During launch and activation, your focus is getting customers set up and their first big win quickly. Provide comprehensive product training through multiple formats like videos, webinars, and documentation. Set up their workspace and configure settings specific to their needs. Identify and celebrate their first success. This stage typically covers the first 2 weeks and is critical for building momentum and confidence. After the initial launch, shift focus to ongoing enablement and helping customers expand their use of your product. Provide continuous learning opportunities and access to more advanced features. Share best practices and success stories from similar customers. Conduct regular check-ins to understand their evolving needs. This stage covers weeks 3 through 12 and ensures customers get maximum value from their investment. Many companies make avoidable mistakes during onboarding. Overloading customers with too much information at once causes confusion. Ignoring customer feedback prevents you from fixing real problems. Treating all customers the same instead of personalizing their experience misses opportunities. Insufficient follow-up leads to forgotten lessons. And setting unrealistic expectations damages trust. Being aware of these pitfalls helps you design a better onboarding experience. Successful onboarding requires a structured approach. Document everything so your process is consistent and repeatable. Set clear boundaries by defining scope early and managing feature requests carefully. Maintain regular cadence with weekly check-ins and consistent communication throughout the entire 90 days. Overinvest in training by offering multiple sessions in different formats with hands-on practice. Monitor adoption by tracking usage patterns and identifying blockers early. Finally, build internal champions by identifying and empowering key users who can influence their team. When you implement structured onboarding correctly, the results are remarkable. Companies achieve 90% or higher adoption rates compared to those without structured onboarding. Customers reach their time to value 3 times faster. You experience 50% reduction in support tickets after onboarding. Remember, the first 90 days set the trajectory for your entire customer relationship. Invest in a structured, customer-focused onboarding process and watch satisfaction and retention soar.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.